Another math day for everyone. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on the bell notification button so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. For week 4 of our second quarter in Mathematics 6, we will discuss on how to solve percent problems. But before we proceed, let us have a short review of our past lesson. You can also click the I button above for the full video last week, which is about percentage, base, and rate. Let us have a review about the meaning of percentage, base, and rate. Percentage is the number or the amount that represents the part of a whole. Base is the number that represents the whole or the entire amount. And rate, it is the number that is compared to 100, which has either a percent sign or the word percent with it. The Tekans triangle can help you remember the three formulas. Whereas P stands for percentage, R for rate, and B is for base. To find the percentage, let us cover the letter P. Since R and P are next to each other, it means multiplication. So to get the percentage, you need to multiply rate times base. To find the base, cover the letter B. Since P or percentage is over R, it means division. B or base is equals to percentage divided by rate. And to find rate, cover R. Since P is over B, it means also division. Or rate is equals to percentage divided by base. You can always check the previous video for the other examples on how to get the percentage, base, and rate. Let us now go to our lesson in solving percent problems. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve problems that involves percent problems, which is discounts, original price, rate of discount, sale price, markup price, commission, sales tax, and the simple interest. These are the following terms that we need to understand before solving discount problems. Discount, or letter D, is the amount to be deducted from the original price. Original price, or OP, is the regular price charged of the item. Discount rate, DR, is the percent taken off from the original price. Sale price, or SP, is the net price or the discounted price. It is the price of the item after the discount has been deducted. To help us understand more, let us take note of this. Always remember that discount and sale price can be represented by percentage. Original price represents the base, and the discount rate represents the rate. Solving for discount and sales price. A dress was sold for 500 pesos at a 16% discount. How much is the discount, or how much can be saved? How much is the selling price? Using the discount formula, you have discount is equals to discount rate times original price, or D is equals to DR times OP. Let us now substitute the following terms with the given numbers in the word problem. 500 pesos is the original price times 16%, which is the discount rate. In multiplication, we can change the positions of the discount rate and original price. Before multiplying the two numbers, we need to change the percent form of the discount rate to decimal form, which is 0.16. And the answer will be 80 pesos. Now, we can say that the discount of the dress was 80 pesos. Let us now solve for the sales price. Sale price is equals to original price minus discount, or SP is equals to OP minus D. OP stands for the original price, which is 500 pesos, and D is for the discount, which is 80 pesos that we have solved previously. To solve for the sale price, we need to subtract the discount from the original price. And that will give us an answer of 420 pesos. Therefore, the discount for the dress is 80 pesos and the sale price is 420 pesos. Let us now move in solving for the original price. Our wristwatch was sold for 2,500 pesos with a 20% discount. What was the original price of the wristwatch? To get the original price, we need to have the discount rate of 20%, the sale price of 2,500, and the original price is missing. Using the other formula for the sale price, you have sale price is equals to original price times 100% minus DR or discount rate, or SP is equals to original price times 100 minus DR. Sale price is equals to OP times 100% minus 20%. Since 20% is the discount rate of the wristwatch. Substitute the given 2,500 for the sale price and 80% for the answer of 100 minus 20. Change 80% to decimal, which is 0.8. Take note that we are finding the value of the original price. Therefore, we need to exchange and divide both sides by 0.80. Therefore, to get the original price, you need to divide the sale price and the 80%. And the answer will be 3,125 pesos. That means that the wristwatch is 3,125 pesos before it was sold with a 20% discount. You can complete the following table and write your answer in your notebook or in your activity sheets. In some instances, the seller adds a particular amount on the items or goods to be sold for the profit. From the original price, the amount added is the markup price, and the new amount is called the selling price. Markup and selling price represent both the percentage. Cost represent the base, and the markup rate represents the rate. Here are the following terms that can help you to understand this particular topic. Markup, or M, is the increase in the price of an item. Markup rate is the percent to be added to the cost of the item. And cost is the original amount or the original price of the item. Let us now solve for the markup price. To have the profit, the businesswoman adds a markup price of 4 pesos and 50 centavos on all the plastic products that bought in Divisoria. What is the markup rate of the plastic bottle if the cost is 50 pesos? What will be the markup or selling price? Here is the solution. M, or the markup, is 4 pesos and 50 centavos. C, or the cost, is 50 pesos. And we are now finding the markup rate or the MR. Also with the SP or the selling price. Using the other formula for markup price, you have markup rate is equals to markup divided by cost times 100%, or MR is equals to M divided by C multiplied by 100%. Take note that we need to divide first the markup and the cost before multiplying it with 100%. Let us substitute the given. M will be 4 pesos and 50 centavos and C will be 50 or 50 pesos times 100%. We need to divide first, then multiply. 4 pesos and 50 centavos divided by 50 is equals to 0.09. Then we need to multiply it by 100. Therefore, MR or the markup rate is 9%. So the markup rate of the plastic bottle is 9%. How about for the selling price? Using the other formula for sale price, you have SP is equals to C plus M, or 50 pesos plus 4 pesos and 50 centavos. Therefore, the markup or the selling price of plastics is 54 pesos and 50 centavos. When someone sells your product, you need to give him some amount of money for his effort or a certain percentage for the sales. The percent or amount that he or she will receive is called commission. The commission and the sale proceeds both represent percentage. Total sales represents the base and the commission rate represents the rate. Commission is an amount of money a person receives for selling something. Total sales is the total amount of sales made by the salesperson. Commission rate is the percent taken off from the selling price. Sale proceeds is the amount that remains after the deduction of the commission. Let us solve for the commission. Mr. Lazo, a car agent, receives an 8% commission on the car he sells. What is his commission if he sold a car at 1 million pesos and 550,000? How much will be the sale proceeds? TS or total sale is 1,550,000 pesos. CR or commission rate is 8%. And we are finding for the commission and the sale proceeds. Using the commission formula, we have commission is equals to total sale times commission rate. Therefore, we need to multiply 1,550,000 pesos times 8%. But before we multiply those two, we need to change 8% to decimal, which is 0.08. And that will give us an answer of 124,000 pesos. Therefore, Mr. Lazo's commission for selling a car that cost 1,550,000 pesos is 124,000 pesos. Using the sale proceeds formula, we have SP is equal to total sale minus commission. Therefore, we need to subtract 124,000 pesos from 1,550,000. That will give us an answer of 1,400,026. That will give us an answer of 1,426,000 pesos. Sales tax. When you buy some products in the fast food, supermarkets, and other stores, you will notice on your receipt that there is a value-added tax or VAT, which is also what we call as sales tax. In the restaurant, the family ordered a foods that has a total amount of 856 pesos plus 12% sales tax. How much is the sales tax? How much is the total amount paid to the cashier? To solve for the sales tax, we need to multiply the total amount of products by the rate of sales tax, which is 856 pesos times 2%. Always remember that any percent form should be changed into decimal form before multiplying the numbers. And the sales tax is 102 pesos and 72 centavos. To compute for the total amount to be paid, we need to add the total amount of products and the sales tax. Therefore, the family needs to pay 958 pesos and 72 centavos. Simple interest. Do you wonder why your mother or father saved money in the bank? When your mother or father deposit their money in a savings bank, the bank will pay them a small amount for using their money. This amount is called interest. Interest is an amount of money earned for using another's money over a period of time. Principal is the amount of money deposited, invested, or borrowed. Rate of interest is the percent added to the principal, amount borrowed, or invested. Time is the length of time which money has been deposited or borrowed. It is always computed in terms of year. Amount due is the total amount to be paid or received after a certain period of the time that the principal has been borrowed or deposited. Let us try to solve for the simple interest. Mr. Lazo opens a savings account in commercial bank where the money earns 1.8 interest per year. If he has 9,500 pesos in his savings account, how much interest will his money earn in 1 year? I is for the interest, P is for principal, R is for rate, and T is for time. Therefore, the principal is 9,500 pesos, the rate is 1.8%, and the time is 1 year. To solve for the interest, you need to multiply the principal times rate times time. The interest will his money earn in 1 year is 171 pesos. Solving for principal. Dio Lagario borrowed money from the lending company at 6% interest. If he paid an interest of 510 pesos after 19 months, how much money did he borrow? To solve for the principal, you need to divide the interest by the product of the rate and time. Since we have 19 months, we need to change it to the number of years, which is 1.7. We need to multiply first the rate and the time before dividing it with the interest. Therefore, the answer is 5,000 pesos, which means that Tio Lagario borrowed 5,000 pesos. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on the bell notification button so you guys can get notified every time I put a new video. Bye!